Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "If you're attached to what people think, you'll never do anything truly useful." But what did he mean? And what does being yourself really look like? Let's go back to ancient Rome. A powerful emperor sits in silence, writing to himself, not for fame, not for followers, but to remind himself how to live. In a world that rewards masks, Marcus reminds us that the hardest battle is staying true to yourself. From a young age, we're told what to be successful, be like him, don't stand out, and slowly we become what others want. But being yourself, Marcus says, is like being a tree. A tree doesn't ask the forest for permission to grow. It just grows. People are like trees, but we can hold ourselves back, out of fear, out of shame, out of trying to fit in. Marcus warned, "You will never be at peace if you depend on applause, because applause can stop, but your nature doesn't." Most people are mirrors. They reflect what others want to see, but real growth begins when you stop being a mirror and start being a flame. Being yourself isn't easy. It means rejection, losing fake friends, disappointing people who never knew you. But like Marcus said, if it's humanly possible, consider it within your reach. You can be yourself, even when it's hard. So what can you do? Start small. Say what you mean. Do what feels right, not what looks good. A tree doesn't rush. It doesn't care if others grow faster. It focuses on its own roots and bears fruit in time. Take off the mask. The world might not clap, but you'll breathe easier, and real people will find you. Marcus taught, you control your thoughts, not your reputation, not others' opinions, just your soul. Don't perform, live. Don't try to be impressive, try to be real. The fruit will come naturally. Anyone can play a role. Only the brave can be themselves in front of the world. That's real courage. You are part of a larger play. Your only duty? Play your role honestly, as yourself. When you stop pretending, you'll feel it. A peace deeper than applause. A joy that doesn't fade. Don't trade your soul for safety. Don't trade truth for comfort. What's the point of living someone else's life? The only wealth you keep is the integrity of your character. That's Marcus's wisdom. That's your real value. If this message spoke to you, leave a comment. What's one part of yourself you're reclaiming today? Subscribe for more Stoic wisdom. Be real, be free, be yourself.